No, but I have the crown.
Both of you are fun. Or they're threes, I mean. And Bryce is 3.
Or so far recently.
You gotta move your feet too.
I know.
Yes, you do.
I'm getting perfect at it.
It tells you at the bottom what's coming up.
That's awesome.
You better put that camera in.
What'd you say?
Better put that camera away.
What is this?
This is not the original dance.
You think? Jack.
This is like, I don't even know what this is.
Oh, right.
Oh, I missed it.
Break an ankle.